When you switch between CRMs, setting up takes the most time and effort. We want to make sure that you don't waste your precious time doing things that can be done in a matter of minutes, like adding contact. You obviously want all your contacts in your CRM, but manually adding one after the other will cost you days of time and effort. So here's a shortcut. Go to All Contacts and click on Import Contacts. You will see steps to import all your contacts in one go. On the side, click on Sample Document. Pressing that will download a sample Excel sheet. If you open downloaded sheet, you will see columns arranged in certain order. Based on the sample sheet, arrange your contact list. Once it's done, save it. Come back to the same page on Condat. You will see an option to choose your file and upload it. Choose your new Excel sheet and upload it. Briefly check if it is in correct order, and once confirmed, hit confirm and upload. And that's how you import around thousands of contacts within minutes.